Advanced Gold in the news recently. Advanced trades as AAX on the venture. They've got their first drill results from the hole 1 at Tabasquina. I've got with me now CEO Allan Barry Laboucan. All right, Al, I know it's been a while here. You've been looking forward to this. Why don't you run us through the first hole?
Yeah, Rob, like we said in the news release in the headline, Advanced Gold hit 78 meters sulfide zone in first drill hole into a large 1,000 by 500 meters chargeability anomaly. We had in the last couple months we did a couple of 3D induced polarization geophysical surveys. This what it does is you can look at things underground three-dimensionally. There's like 10,000 data points that they register on chargeability, and we had identified a 1,000 meters from north to south by 500 meters east to west continuous chargeability anomaly. And what makes it really impressive about that anomaly is that the continuous chargeability, whether you look at it from east to west on the 500 meters of width, or you go from line to line on the north to south direction, the high chargeability is continuous from line to line to line. So this lit up a very nice geophysical anomaly for us, and then we just in the last few weeks started drilling it, and we actually had two interesting intersections inside of that drill hole. There was a 78 meter section from 226 to 304 meters where we had disseminated to massive sulfides along with quartz. In the quartz veining, we were getting adularia and crustiform and coliform. This tells you that the system is long-lived when you get that kind of quartz. So in addition to the sulfides, it's associated with the quartz, and we had a nice big thick intersection of that zone. Then at the bottom of the zone, we had another section of 10 meters, which had again quartz veining and andesites, but in the andesites we had disseminated sulfides for that 10 meters. So we've rushed that into a lab here in Mexico that all the major mining companies use. They're very good quality. They will test for gold, silver, copper, zinc. Then the 78 meter section that is on its way to the lab in Canada. ALS is the lab that has they have an office here in where I live in Zacatacas City, and so why we're sending the 78 meters off is because we want to also get the same main metals: gold, silver, copper, and zinc. But then we also want to get a suite of associated minerals, because with that we'll get that analyzed back here in a university in Mexico, which will give us temperature, like a guide on temperatures, so that we can know where we are in this sulfide system. But what's really important is that, we've found quartz veins in the past with widespread gold and silver mineralization. And now we're finding an associated sulfide zone as well. And so we're pretty excited about how this is all playing out. And, for a company like ours with a tiny little market valuation, it got some good attention when we put the news out on Christmas Eve. I'd like to say that it was my brilliant timing that I timed it to go out just as gold was starting to take off. But no, gold is looking pretty good. Gold and silver had a nice pre-Christmas Santa Claus rally there, and I'm quite optimistic about this. This year coming up for gold and silver, and then what our exploration work is doing. We'll be right back to drilling on Friday. We got some more. I want to extend this hole a little, some more, maybe 50 to 200 meters more. And so that'll start on Friday. We'll be right back at her.
And what can we expect this first batch here you just drilled here?
So we got two sets of results pending on assays for that stuff. and then it'll take us another week or two to get some more material drilled, and hopefully we have some more stuff to submit, and then we'll have that to announce as well.
Still a little early, or is the data telling you anything right now?
I know enough now to know that we're onto something pretty serious here. It's a really big geophysical anomaly, and then now you've got quartz veining with silver and gold mineralization. You've got an oxide vein that was also mined for high-grade silver, and then right below all that veining, you've got this sulfide zone. So it's all associated to one big system, and that's what's tremendously exciting.
Okay, appreciate that update. Allan Barry Laboucan, CEO, Advanced Gold, AAX on the venture. Certainly look forward to seeing those batch of holes there, Al. So thanks for that update.